In a world where taste knows no boundaries, where every morning and every evening comes alive with a perfect aroma, comes the ultimate brewing experience. Introducing our homegrown marvel that is sleek and compact yet sophisticated, Alaska Café. With just a touch of a button, you can unleash a world of flavors and absolutely delicious beverages. Crafted with precision and passion, it embodies the spirit of Make in India. Simple to operate and easy to maintain, the Alaska Café is more than an office or kitchen appliance. It's a mood changer and morale booster. This game-changing machine dispenses 12 cups per minute. Its special sensor ensures a piping hot cup of your favorite beverage. And the best part is, your coffee is ready in just a snap of your finger. Want more like a hot cappuccino or cafe latte or a hot soup as well? Time to nurture our inner world, the mind and soul. Introducing 8 exquisite flavors of herbal tea bags: Moringa Mint Tulsi, Turmeric Ashwagandha, Throat Remedy, Black Beauty, Citrus Blast, Herbal Fusion, Rejuvenating Detox, and Tulsi Green Tea. As they are made to revitalize your senses and create moments of tranquility within. 3-lane and multi-selection machines are also available as well. And you also get cool features like a coin mechanism, pump operation, card swap, and QR-based facilities available in 3 models. You can also place the jar either on the top or side depending on the space available. Discover the art of the perfect beverage and make every moment truly delightful anytime, anywhere. Alaska Café. Freshness served in every cup.